Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your colored markers are actual cell fills or conditional formatting. Images won't work. Select the header row and press Ctrl+T to convert the range to a table. This keeps filters consistent as you add rows. If you prefer not to use a table, click Data then Filter to expose the drop-down arrows. Once done, you'll see the filter chevrons on each header. This is where you'll access color filtering options and control selection granularity. Click the filter arrow on the column that contains colored cells. Choose Filter by Color, then select Cell Color or Font Color depending on how the color was applied. This targets the exact visual attribute. If colors are produced by conditional formatting, you can still choose that formatted color. Excel recognizes it. Once you select a color, Excel hides non-matching rows. Make sure to combine this with text or number filters when you need finer control. That reduces clutter and speeds analysis. To finish, refine results by applying filters on other columns or clear a color filter with Filter Clear Filter on that column to restore all rows. If you don't see color options, inspect for merged cells, hidden rows, or a protected sheet. Those block filters. When Excel cannot detect the color because it's applied oddly, create a helper column using Get. Cell via named ranges or a short VBA macro to read interior. Color and filter that value. This solves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.